Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what types of accounts Koho offers. Koho is a Canadian financial technology company that offers a variety of spending and savings accounts, along with other financial products. Their core accounts are known as hybrid spending and savings accounts, meaning they offer the features of both a checking and a savings account in one. Koho provides three main tiers of these accounts: Essential, Extra, and Everything. The Essential plan is their no-fee option. It includes a reloadable prepaid MasterCard, cash back on certain purchases, and an interest rate on your balance. The Extra and Everything plans are paid monthly subscriptions that offer more benefits. With these plans, you get higher interest rates on your balance, increased cash back on more types of purchases, and additional perks like no foreign transaction fees or free international ATM withdrawals. In addition to these plans, Koho also offers other services. These include a credit building program to help you improve your credit history, as well as joint accounts for managing money with another person. They also offer features like vaults to help you set aside money for specific savings goals. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.